guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel DLayerV. This video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti and I'm from Singapore. I create beauty content on the internet platform, especially on YouTube, every Fridays at 6 p.m. If you'd like to know more about me, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll put a link to it down in the info bar below. And if you'd like to watch more beauty content on this YouTube platform, all you have to do is just click on the rectangular red button that says subscribe. Make sure to click on it as well and smash that bell icon next to it just so that you'll be receiving any notifications for new video uploads going up on this channel. In today's video, I just thought I will bring you a very old style makeup tutorial that I used to do in the beginning of my YouTube days, which is a very subtle everyday makeup type of look that you can actually wear this to an office, to an everyday school setting. Maybe you might want to switch out the colors a little bit, so I've played around with a lot of warm and neutral colors, something that is very close to my heart because I don't usually do a lot of colors. And so I thought I will bring you this makeup look, and I have actually used a couple of products that are very new to my makeup collection, such as the Cocoa Blend palette from Zoeva. I really have been liking this off camera. And yeah guys, if you'd like to know more about how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching.
Alright, to begin the makeup, I'm going to be prepping my face for some base, and I'm going to be using the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner, and this is supposed to be a pore killer for invisible pores and line. And I've just quickly went ahead and filled in my eyebrows with the NYX, I believe this is the micro brow pencil in Auburn. Now you can actually see me doing a little bit of correcting action. This particular Colourpop No Filter Concealer, I believe this is in the shade Medium 28. It has a little bit of a peachy undertone. I thoroughly enjoy using this concealer for its color correcting purpose and concealing at the same time. It's a 2-in-1 product. If you're keen on getting the Colourpop No Filter Concealers, I do have a review. Click on the eye right above and it will bring you straight to the review video. Meanwhile, I'm using the Sigma's Soft Concealer Brush to blend out the concealer. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Oil-Free Matte Pore Minimizing Full Coverage and Anti-Aging and Hydrating Serum. It also contains SPF of 40 with UVB physical sunscreen. There's a whole lot of mumbo jumbo going into this particular CC cream, but it gives you coverage like a foundation, just like how you see. A review on this product is also available. For this makeup look in particular, I did want to go with a cream contour, so I'm using my e.l.f. foundation palette and I'm just taking the darkest shade from this palette. Can you believe that I'm actually using an art brush? They're quite good quality and I feel like they are of the same synthetic range. I'm stippling or bouncing the makeup sponge where I've placed the dark contour cream, and I'm just bouncing. I'm not moving it around. Can you see that I'm just stamping it all across just so that it goes well deep into the skin and it's not going to move away from anywhere where we've actually placed that cream contour. So I'm signaling that I'm going to be using a little bit of setting powder to make sure that my under eye concealer stays in place and there's no creases, fine lines and wrinkles showing up. And also the rest of the facial planes where I tend to get a little bit oily. Moving out closer up, I'm going to be using the same Colourpop No Filter Concealer to prep and prime my eyes, and once that is set down, I'm going to be using the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette, and I'm going to be taking a Substitute for Love. This is like a very light brown that has a lot of reddish and terracotta tint to it. I'm just going to be buffing it with a buffing brush. Moving closer to the crease, I'm going to be using a denser blending brush, and this is the shade Beans Are White. It's like a very charcoal grey that has a lot of brown undertones to it. Perfect to spice up this look just a little bit more. Now you can see me blending the color upward and outward. For the mobile lid space, I'm going to be using the shade called Pure Ganache. It's pure gold if you ask me. The color is so intense. It's got a very nice neutral mixture. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm going to be going in with Bitter Stud on a small brush, and I'm just going to be buffing all of the harsh lines away with the same, I believe this is a blending brush also from Zoeva. For the lower lash line, I'm taking a mix of Substitute for Love and Freshly Toasted color onto the lower lash line. For the outer V, I'm going to be completing the eye look with the same dark brown shade, which is called Beans Are White, and I'm just lightly buffing the color just so that it melts nicely into the outer V. The last leg of my liquid eyeliner, this is the I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in 01 Black Swan. This is from Sugar. Absolutely love this eyeliner, and I'm almost running out, and this is only available in India. Nykaa, you should be shipping worldwide already. Why are you doing this to me? And for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. I won't say it's the best, but like I've said, mascaras need to be tossed out every month or so, especially if you have sensitive eyes. So for that particular reason, this is quite fine. Now I'm dusting off all of the excess powder that I have left beneath my under eyes, just so that it catches any eyeshadow fallout. To set the cream contour down, I'm going to be using the Bahama Mama bronzer, and as you can see, I've actually placed the cream contour a little bit more precisely, and now I'm just dusting the contour powder around. And to get a little bit of flush onto my cheeks, I'm going to be using the Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush in the shade Unstoppable. And yes, it's also an art brush. And for the highlight, this is a favorite highlight of mine, and I'm going to be using the Sephora's Face Shimmering Powder. This is in the shade Natural Glow. Okay, for the last bit of the makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using a MAC's lip liner. This is in the shade Absolutely Lit, and I absolutely love this shade. Once I've lined the lips nice enough, I went over with a MAC lipstick in the shade Brave. I absolutely love this lipstick combination, and this completes the makeup look, and I really hope you like this tutorial.
That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this makeup tutorial today. If you'd like to know more about me and what I'm up to on an everyday basis, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram. But if you'd like to know more about beauty content, product reviews, makeup tutorials such as this, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button right down this video and smash on that bell icon to receive notifications whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. And I shall catch you very soon in my next week's video. Bye guys!